Hello and welcome to ForexMinute.com's look at CTOption, a binary options broker. As you can see, we are on the website. Pretty informative website, listing of prices, live data feeds, etc. Bitcoin to the Aussie, for example, Bitcoin to the CAD, and so on. There are demo accounts available, so that gives you, of course, the option of trading options with virtual currency. That way you can learn, test out strategies, things like that. As you can see, there is a web-based platform where you can place trades. In this particular case, you're looking at a high-low binary option, and that is simply, does it go higher or lower? You can, for example, right now, looking at the euro dollar, higher is 81%, lower is 5% return payout, and then it even will show you how many traders are trading in which direction. That being the case, you can try other types of options. There's one touch, which is just simply, we'll touch one of these targets kind of thing. A range, which you can think of that as a spread in the options market. Basically, it's going to stay within a range. And then here you have what they call the hyper, which is a very short-term type of binary option. There's different time frames as well. So going back to the high-low, you've got a specific time, but one touch will be a specific time, range will be a specific time. But when you go to hyper, it's 10 minutes is as long as it'll be. Looking at this, you can see that you can pick several different currency pairs as well as gold and silver to cover the forex markets. You can see commodities are covered as well. For example, oil, copper, gold, silver. Some of the more common ones. Indices. You'll have the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, FTSE, etc. Stocks here, you'll have individual stocks. And these would be the bigger, more commonly traded ones. Vodafone, for example, or Barclays, BMW. So with that, you can see that you have the ability to trade different markets. That it gives you the ability, for example, if you see the Australian dollar gaining, but gold hasn't followed, for example, then you can perhaps look into taking advantage of a potential move in gold based upon that. You can see that there are promotions, and that is typically true. You can check this from time to time. It can change without notice, obviously. The banking portion of the website explains how you can fund your trades, and credit card is without a doubt one of the most easiest and most common ways to fund the account. You can do bank transfers and wire transfers as well. There are what they call alternate methods. This would be the cash use, the web money, trust pays, things like that. There is a complete listing of the security and privacy in effect down here. The bank itself is with DBS Bank. The transactions, it is a Singaporean bank. It is registered in Singapore. It's been around since 1968 according to that information, so obviously a bank that's been around long enough. You do have mobile trading is possible, so they are working on that. They don't have the actual platform up, but by the time you see this video, that could very well change. Looking at the education part, you can see that it has it tells you like picking your option type, what they mean, some basics, some strategies, etc. You can go to video on demand, options courses, the tools, the ebook, they're all available here on the website. Going to the About Us, you can see that they are, in fact, from London, England. So obviously they fall under the jurisdiction of the FSA. They do have quite a bit of information available. There is mention here that there are auto signals that are available. The system is powered by Real Binary Bot. It is a UK company. It's not CTOption themselves. Beyond that, really going back home, you can see that it's a pretty standard web page that allows you to take advantage of various different markets, and it's very simple platform. For example, if you want to trade the dollar Swiss, you go to the different options times and you can see, okay, well, 1550 is in this particular case an hour from now. You can click, is it going to go higher, how much you want to invest. So in this particular case, if I'm investing $10, it's going to pay out $17.20, and just kind of go from there. So very intuitive, very simple platform, but quite frankly, that is one of the biggest appeals with this particular broker.